Hello friends, welcome to this channel Statistics for All. E-learning anytime, anywhere. Please like, subscribe and share. Also press bell icon. Thank you.
Matrices. Meaning and definition of matrices. An arrangement of m into n elements in m rows and n columns enclosed by the bracket or this bracket only is called a matrix of order m into n and is generally denoted by capital A is equal to bracket aij bracket over m into n. So this is an example of m into n. Now this is a format of matrix A is equal to, here in first row A11, A12, A13 up to A1j and so on up to A1n. Second row A21, A22, A23 and so on up to A2j and so on up to A2n and so on AI1, AI2, AI3 and so on up Aij and so on up to AIN and so on AM1, AM2, AM3 up to AMJ and so on up to AMN. This is m by n matrix, or here it is written that A is equal to Aij into m by n. This is an example of n by n matrix where I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to m and j is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Here Aij denotes the element of ith row and jth column. For example, matrix A that is equal to 1, 2, 3 and in second row 4, 5, 6. So there are total 2 rows 1 and 2 and column 1, 2 and 3. So this is of order 2 by 3 matrix. Second example, matrix B that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we can see that there are total 3 rows 1, 2 and 3 and total columns are 1, 2 and 3. So it is a square matrix of order 3. Next that is remarks of matrices, which is very important. A matrix is denoted by capital letter, that is A, B, C, D and so on, only of the English alphabets. First suffix of an element of the matrix indicate the position of row and the second suffix of the element of the matrix indicate the position of column. For example, here A23 means it is an element in the second row and the third column, that is 2 indicate second row and 3 indicate third column. Here the order of the matrix is written as number of rows into number of columns. Some special type of matrices, that is row matrix. A matrix having only one row and any number of columns is called a row matrix. For example, your matrix A is equal to 4, 5, 6. Here we can see that there is only one row and number of columns 1, 2 and here 3. So this is of order matrix 1 by 3 matrix. Next is column matrix. A matrix having only one column and any number of rows is called a column matrix. For example, matrix A is equal to here 4, 5, 6. That is in first row 4, second row 5 and in third row that is equal to 6. So and your column is only 1. So this is 3 by 1 matrix. Now rectangular matrix, a matrix having m rows and n columns is called a rectangular matrix if m is not equal to n. For example, here matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3 in first, that is first row then 4, 5, 6, that is in second row. So the number of columns 1, 2 and 3. So both are not equal, rows and columns are not equal. So this is in order of 2 by 3 matrix. Square matrix. A matrix having equal number of rows and columns is called a square matrix. For example, matrix A, that is equal to, that is given that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can see that there are total 3 rows and 3 columns. So it is a square matrix of order 3. Null matrix. A matrix A is equal to Aij, that M into N, is said to be a null matrix if all its elements are equal to 0, that is Aij is equal to 0 for all ij. A null matrix is denoted by 0. For example, here we can see that all the elements are 0. It is an order of 3, null matrix of order 3. Now, principal diagonal of a matrix. If matrix A, that is equal to Aij n into n, be a square matrix of order n, then the elements A11, A22, A33 and so on up to Ann are called diagonal elements of the square matrix A, and the diagonal along with these elements lie is called principal diagonal or main diagonal or simply diagonal of the matrix A. For example, your matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we can see that is a square matrix, that is 3 rows and 3 columns. Your diagonal elements of matrix A are 1, 5 and 9. This is. Now, diagonal matrix. A square matrix A, that is equal to Aij, that is n into n, is said to be a diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for all I not equal to j. For example, here matrix A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0 and 0, 0, 9. Here we can see that other than diagonal elements are 0. The diagonal elements are 1, 5, 9. So a diagonal matrix because all its non-diagonal elements of order 3. Now, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if all its diagonal elements are same. For example, matrix A, that is equal to 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0 and 0, 0, 5. It is a square matrix because your 3 rows and 3 columns is there and your diagonal elements are same, that is 5, 5, 5. Other than diagonal elements are 0. Identity matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be an identity or unit matrix if all the diagonal elements are equal to unity. It is denoted by I. For example, I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here we can see that all diagonal elements are equal to 1. That is, diagonal elements are equal to unity. Next is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix is denoted by A raised to T or A dash and is obtained by interchanging rows and columns of matrix A. For example, matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6 and in third row 7, 8, 9. So here we can see that this is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. Then A raised to T or A dash, that is equal to, we are interchanging rows into columns. So here in first row 1, 2, 3 is here we convert into columns. So 1, 2, 3. Then here in second row 4, 5, 6 which is converted into 4, 5, 6 in column. 7, 8, 9 in row we convert into column 7, 8, 9. So it is a transpose of a matrix of order 3. Symmetric matrix. If the transpose of a square matrix is equal to itself, that is Aij is equal to Abi for all ij, that matrix is said to be a symmetric matrix. For example, A is equal to A raised to T or A dash, that is equal to, here we can see that this is 3 by 3 matrix, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 4, then 3, 4, 6. So here we can see that 1, 2, 3 in first row, and here in first column 1, 2, 3. In second row 2, 5, 4. In second column here 2, 5, 4. In third row 3, 4, 6. Here in third column 3, 4, 6. So it is a square matrix again 3 by 3. So it is a symmetric matrix of order 3. Rows and columns, by interchanging the rows or column we get the same matrix. It is a symmetric matrix. Now skew symmetric matrix. If the transpose of a square matrix is equal to itself but opposite in sign, that is Aij is equal to minus Agi for all ij, that matrix is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. Obviously each diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix must be 0. For example, A raised to T, that is equal to minus A, that is equal to, now we can see that there are 3 rows and 3 columns, that is 0, minus 2, 3, 2, 0, 4, minus 3, minus 4, 0. Now in first row 0, minus 2 and 3 is given, and in your column 0, 2 and minus 3. So here we can see that here is given minus 2, so here plus 2, then here plus 3, so here minus 3. Now in second row 2, 0, 4, so here minus 2, 0, minus 4, here minus 3, minus 4, 0, so here 3, 4, 0. It is a skew symmetric matrix of order 3, that is Aij is equal to minus Aji. Upper triangular matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij n into n is said to be a upper triangular matrix if all the elements below the principal diagonals are 0. For example, matrix A, here square matrix is given, that is 3 rows and 3 columns. We can see here 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 0, 0, 6. So diagonal elements are 1, 4, 6. So below the diagonal principal diagonals are 0. So it is a upper triangular matrix of order 3. Now lower triangular matrix. A square matrix A, that is equal to Aij n into n, is said to be a lower triangular matrix if all the elements above the principal diagonal are 0. For example, matrix A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 6. It is a lower triangular matrix of order 3. Now here we can see that diagonal are 1, 3, 6, above are 0.